Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 16th of February. And first of all, national news. Farooq Abdullah's party to fight alone in Jammu and Kashmir in another setback for India. Allahabad High Court reserved order on play against worship in Gyanvapi Mosque cellar. Farmers' March internet services suspended in parts of Punjab till February 16. Amid the ongoing protest, a group of farmers blocked railway tracks in Punjab. Three union ministers will hold talks with the farmer leaders in Chandigarh. PM Modi concluded visit to Qatar after meeting top leadership. Electoral bonds unconstitutional, stop immediately, big Supreme Court ordered. Now some international news. Still suffering Brazil earthquake hit families seek justice in Dutch court. Thailand's new scheme will offer tourists up to 14,000 in medical coverage. Russia dismissed US warning about nuclear capability in space report. Nigerian ex-president Muhammadu Buhari signed forge to steal 6 million from central bank. And now some sports news. Rohit Sharma became India's fourth highest run maker in international cricket. Pakistan Cricket Board terminated Star's central contract for pulling out of Australia Test. Cristiano Ronaldo claimed another milestone, played 1000th club match. India dropped 15 places to 117th in FIFA rankings, worst in 7 years post Asian Cup debacle. And India are ranked 22nd among the Asian nations. Business related news. Ratings agencies thumbs up to Adani Group after robust performance. Cybersecurity became key to retain clients for IT services provider. Rupee fell to paise to close at 83.04 provisional against US dollar. Sensex settled in green for third day, rose 228 points. Nifty above 21,900, oil India soars 13, Vedanta dropped 4. Science related news. Gulf Stream could collapse as early as 2025. Mini ice age on the way, study said. Water found on asteroid surfaced for the first time. And scientists found 1700-year-old Roman age with completely intact yolk. And that's all in news. Thank you.